Radyo Ranao 101.7 FM.
Mapihagawi Mindanao, Mapihagawi Pilipinas, kayo ay nakatutok sa Radyo Ranao 101.7 FM. Ang tahanan ng kultura, kasaysayan at mga kwentong hindi kailanman nalilimutan. Kasama niyo ako, si DJ Ira, ang inyong pagmahal, ganda at tulok yarn.
At ako naman, si DJ LJ, ang taong punong-puno ng pagmamahal, walang labis at walang kulang. So it's already 12:30 na PM. So mga listener namin dyan, mag-ingat po tayo sa init ng panahon. Grabe ang init ng panahon ngayon, DJ Ira. Kaya magdala po tayo always ng payong, bottled water, para always tayong wet. So, meron lang akong isisingit na kwento, guys. So kaganina kasi, pagising ko is may naisip akong kaano-ano lang talaga, random thoughts lang. What if kaya kung mabuhay ulit ang mga bayani ng nagsinaunang kwento?
Wow, grabe ka naman dyan, DJ LJ. Baka naman may secret kang alam. Ba't mo naman naisip yan? Random, ha?
Who knows? Pero alam mo, may isang kwento kaya sa Mindanao na hanggang ngayon ay buhay pa rin sa mga puso ng mga tao. Kwento ito ng katapangan, sakripisyo, inggit, pagkakamali, at pagpapatawad.
At hindi lang basta kwento yan, ha? Isa itong bahagi ng kultura ng mga Maranao at kinikilala pa bilang UNESCO Heritage.
Totoo ba? Wow, ang galing naman.
Talaga.
Kaya listener, ihanda nyo ang inyong imahinasyon, pumikit, makinig, at samahan nyo kaming maglakbay papalik sa maalamat na karian ng Bembaran.
Ito ang Voices of Ethics
Sa Darangan ng Mindanao.
Diaraag Anandawan, o gumanat ko Bembaran, pagilaylayan sumasa, koranaw amabasa. From the tranquil mystical waters of Lake Lanao, a sacred voice echoes across centuries. This is the Darangin, the ancient epic of the Maranao people of Mindanao. Passed down through generations by song and chant, it stands today as a UNESCO masterpiece of the oral and intangible heritage of humanity. Welcome to the legendary Golden Kingdom of Bembaran. In the courts of Bembaran, no warrior commands more respect, and no prince is more deeply cherished than Prince Bantugan.
My sword, my strength, and my devotion belong entirely to the soil of my ancestor. As long as I draw breath, no threat shall breach the Kalilintad. The sacred peace of Bembaran, Mapia Ranao.
Tongan, long live Prince Bantugan, the truest Mamaraw, our bravest protector.
Grabe naman si Prince Bantugan. Hindi nakakapagtaka kung bakit mahal na mahal siya ng mga tao.
True ka dyan, DJ Ira. Pero tandaan natin listeners, hindi lahat ng tagumpay ay nagdadala ng saya. Minsan habang tumataas ang isang tao, may ibang pusong unting-unting nilalamon ng inggit at kasamaan.
OMG, totoo ka dyan. I remember something. Mukhang may paparating na problema, ha?
But even in the brightest realms, the shadow of human frailty can fall. In the heart of King Madali, Bantugan's older brother, a poisonous jealousy began to fester, blinding him to his brother's loyalty.
They look upon my brother, and they see a god in armor. They look at me, their crowned king, and see only a shadow. I will tolerate his eclipsing light no longer.
Your Majesty, the prince acts only out of pure devotion to your crown and the honor of our lineage.
Silence! Hear my royal decree. From this moment forward, no man, woman, or child in Bembaran shall look at, help, or speak to Prince Bantugan. Anyone who dares offer him shelter or comfort shall face immediate exile or death.
My own brother, the sovereign I swore my life to protect, makes me a ghost in my own homeland. My maratabat, my honor remains clean, but I will never bring division to my people. If my presence bring darkness to the king's heart, I shall walk into exile alone. Ganagawani, farewell, Bembaran.
At dito nagsisimula ang pinakapabigat na bahagi ng ating kwento.
Kapag ang inggit ay mas pinili kaysa pagmamahal, kahit pamilya, maaaring masira.
Wandering through foreign unfamiliar territories, isolated and heartbroken, the great prince's physical strength began to break. The agonizing emotional weight of his banishment pressed heavier than any iron armor. Faint and gasping for air, he collapsed at the gates of the distant kingdom by the sea. Prince Bantugan was dead. As the tragic news traveled across the hills back to Bembaran, the veil of jealousy finally broke from King Madali's eyes, leaving only shuddering truth. Father, look! A stranger has fallen in our gates. His garments are woven with royal threads, yet he gasped for his very last breath.
Guards, attend to him at once. Bring water. Speak to us. Brave warrior, from what noble province do you hail?
I am a wanderer of the distant stars, a brother to no one.
Father, his chest is sealed. His breathing has stopped. Wata Dato, the noble princess is gone.
Prince Bantugan was dead. As the tragic news traveled across the hills back to Bembaran, the veil of jealousy finally broke from King Madali's eyes, leaving only shuddering truth.
Rogo, isa-isa, blood of my blood, what have I done? My own blind pride has extinguished the truest shield of our kingdom. O spirits of the skyworld, do not claim him yet. Bring my brother back to me.
Nakakalungkot naman. Si Bantugan na nga ang tumulong sa lahat. Siya po yung nasaktan.
Pero minsan kasi DJ Ira, kapag tunay na bayani ang pinag-uusapan, hindi doon nagtatapos ang kanilang kwento.
The unyielding grief of Bembaran shakes the foundation of the heavens. A true hero's legacy is not meant to end in silent, dark exile. By the loss of goodness and courage, let the soul of Bantugan be restored.
A miracle that Prince Joel's bread. Mia Bantugan Sagani, our protector lives.
My brother, forgive my blindness. I return your place of honor. Bembaran is yours to safeguard, now and forever.
We are brothers, King Madali, bound by blood, culture, and the soil beneath us. Let the shadows of yesterday fade, and let our future be written in unity and courage.
The Darangen is far more than an ancient story of a resurrected prince. It is the living, breathing heart of the Maranao people, a timeless testament to resilience, integrity, and unyielding honor.
Marhaban sa Ranao. Welcome to the land of the sacred majestic lake.
Come and experience salamat sa Kapangambong, the authentic legendary vitality of our people.
Where every single geometric inaul and landap textiles weaves a living tapestry of royalty.
In the masterful flowing lines, in the masterful flowing lines of the ochre designs on our Grand Torogan royal houses stand defiant against time.
Come, listen to the vibrant, lingering echoes of the copper kulintang.
and feel the enduring spirit of indigenous artistic and pride.
Witness a culture where deep-rooted oral history and the digital future merge seamlessly together. Journey beyond the ordinary, where the magnificent chant of Larangan live on every wave of Lake of Lanao and every heartbeat of our heritage. Karasuma Coranon, cherish our traditions with love.
Explore Mindanao, the grand cradle of Philippines epics.
At yan ang alamat ni Prince Bantugan mula sa darangan ng mga Maranao.
Isang kwento nagpapaalala sa atin na ang tunay na lakas ay hindi lamang nasa espada o kapangyarihan, kundi nasa kabutihan, katapatan at pagpapatawad.
Kaya mga listeners, huwag nating hayaang mawala ang mga kwentong tulad nito. Dahil bawat epiko ay bahagi ng ating pagkakakilanlan bilang Pilipino.
At kung magkaroon kayo ng pagkakataong bisitahin ng Mindanao, tuklasin ang kultura ng Maranao, pakinggan ang kulintang at naranasan ang buhay na pamana ng darangin.
Maraming salamat sa pakikinig. Ito si DJ Ira.
At ito naman si DJ LJ. At ito ang
Radyo Ranao
101.7 FM. Tingnan ang kultura.
Tingin.
Ah!